Good afternoon. My name is Lina Moreira. I am here for GNP Idiomas, and we are putting together a series of teacher tutorials to teach grammar to children at an intermediate level. All right. This is tutorial number 5, and today we're going to be talking about modals of ability. Basically, can, could, and be able to. All right. Simple, nothing complicated, but tricky with be able to, okay? Can is a present ability. It could be used for the future as well. Okay? Ability, that's right. Okay. And that would be can, can't. All right, so I can play the guitar, I can drive a car. All right? Past ability is could, that's also easy. All right? But then we have be able to. Now, why do we have be able to? We have be able to because we cannot put two modals together. So I cannot say will can. I cannot say must can. So I have be able for that. So be able is what we use for complex verb tenses. Okay? To express ability. All right? So let's say that I want to do this and I want to talk about future ability would be will be able to. All right? Or what about the present perfect? Have been able to. I can't do that with can or could. So this is the whole point to this. Okay? This is why we have be able to. All right? Now, the question that arises with be able to is that we also have this in the past, which is was and were able to. Now, if this is a past ability and this is a past ability, then when do I use could and when do I use was and were able to? That's the big question. This confuses students. Now, could is a general past ability. All right? It's a general past ability. Whereas was and were able to is a specific past situation. All right? Where you're expressing ability in a difficult situation, okay? What does that mean? In a difficult situation, imagine the firefighter was able to save the child from the burning building. That was difficult, and he managed to do that. Managed to is a synonym of this. I can use was or were able to, but I can also use managed to do, or succeeded in doing. Succeeded, always past, in this situation, succeeded in doing. So that's the difference. So I could play the guitar. I could play the guitar when I was young. When I was young would be an example of a general past ability, but I was able to pass my exam without studying would be an example of something difficult that you did, that you managed to do, despite the difficulty. So that's the main difference, okay? Specific situation that implies difficulty, general past ability. Now the curious thing about this, and after explaining all of this, is that in the negative, there is absolutely no difference, all right? So after explaining this to the students, you have to tell them that couldn't is exactly the same as wasn't or weren't able to. Okay? So, in affirmative, there is a clear distinction. In the negative, they're identical. Okay? All right. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed that.